It's confusing for a beginner to understand where to use which type of join while working with multiple tables in SQL. That's what I will be covering in today's video, so that if you are one of those beginners, then you will no longer be the same but be much more powerful in SQL. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are deep diving into the world of SQL joins. Joining table is a crucial skill for anyone working with relational databases. In this tutorial we will explore the various types of joins and understand when to use each one along with the implementations, so make sure you watch it till the end. Let's get started to unleash the power of data fusion. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why joins are so important in SQL. Joins allow us to combine data from multiple tables based on related columns. By merging information from different tables, we can extract meaningful insights and answer complex questions about our data. Joins enable us to leverage the power of relationships between tables and perform comprehensive analysis. SQL offers several types of joins to cater different scenarios. So the most commonly used types of joins are inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. Now you might be wondering, when should I use each type of join? So let's try to understand it. Use an inner join when you only want to retrieve records with matching values from both the tables. Use a left join when you want to retrieve all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. Use a right join when you want to retrieve all the records from the right table and matching records from the left table. Use a full outer join when you want to retrieve all records from both the tables, including unmatched records. Now let's dive into a practical example to see how these joins work in action. So as you can see on the screen, I have two tables. So in the customers table, I have the customer ID, the product bought by the customer, and the price for the product. In the products quantity table, I have the product ID, the name of the product, and the quantity of the product. So as you can see, here are a few products which are not present in the customer tables and a few products which are not present in the product table. So let's try to apply different types of join on these tables and explore the results. So I will write select star from any of the table, like let's say customers, as C. Now I will perform an inner join with products quantity table. So I will write inner join products quantity as P. In the next line I will write on. As we have a common table product, so we will be joining on product, and I will write C.product is equal to P.product. And if I run it, I can see all the common rows from both the tables. Now if I recheck, I can see in the customer table I have Nokia and Lexus as the brands which are not present in the product table, and in the product table I have Oppo and OnePlus as the brands which are not present in the customer table. So when I am performing the inner join, I can see only the common products which are available in both the tables, like Apple, Samsung and Lenovo. Now if I want to see all the rows from the left table, that is our customer table, I will just change this inner join with left join and run it. Now I can see all the records from the left table but only matching rows from the right table, and where there is no matching I can see null values. Similarly, if I use right join, I can see all the values from the product table and only the matching values from the customer table, and where there is no match I will see null values. And now if I perform a full outer join, I will write full outer join. I can see all the values from both the table, and where there is no match I will be seeing null values. And there you have it. Now you know the difference between each type of joins. Joins are a powerful tool in SQL that enables us to merge data from multiple tables based on the relationships. By understanding the different type of joins and when to use each one, you can harness the full potential of your data. I hope this tutorial has provided you with a solid foundation in SQL joins. Practice using joins in your own projects and explore the versatility in connecting and analyzing the data. If you want to master how to use a where clause or having clause in SQL, click on the videos on the screen and I will see you right there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting tutorials on SQL. Till then, keep learning and thank you for watching.